in the spaces between the known and the named, where forests breathe but maps stay vague. A shadow moves through leaf and stone, striped like a question, walking alone. Not hunted by noise, not saved by chance, but by those who choose the long advance. One careful step, one lens, one sign, truth revealed, one frame at a time. From Atlantic forests broken and thin to borders drawn by chainsaws and wind, cameras wade through rain and heat, watching past where worlds still meet. Data becomes a living thread, connecting the living to what's ahead. Science with a steady hand, rooted deep in local land. No tiger cat left behind, seen or unseen, known or rare. No tiger cat left behind, every habitat, everywhere. Through patience, proof, and human will, we draw the line and hold it still. No tiger cat left behind. Tadu de Oliveira walks where others pass on through, listening longer, seeing true, not chasing glory, not seeking claim. Let in the forest speak his name, a modern general, not by force, but by choosing the harder course, mapping survival hill by hill, until the future bends to will. Communities standing shoulder to side, science and people allied, not telling nature what to be, but giving space for recovery. When locals lead and knowledge stays, protection lasts beyond our days, because what's defended with care and sight survives the dark, survives the night. No tiger cat left behind, across the fragments, across the lines. No tiger cat left behind, every species, every sign, from first discovery to lasting ground. This is the promise we've written down. No tiger cat left behind. Conservation isn't conquest, it's endurance.